A former Salt Lake IT employee accused of compromising undercover police officers will learn tomorrow if he'll get bail.
Yeah, the case raises some questions here about the security of the city's IT systems. And KSL investigator Daniela Rivera has been working to get some answers.
Prosecutors say 50-year-old Patrick Driscoll accessed confidential police information and shared it with an accused sex trafficker, some of that information belonging to undercover officers.
He kind of spelled out that there was this database of undercover officers, which doesn't make any sense to me. It should be the opposite. You should go looking and find nothing.
Law enforcement expert Chris Bertram says the case raises questions about the way Salt Lake City police protect sensitive intelligence and the security of the city's IT systems.
How is it that he accessed that? And how is it that he got in there so easy, if he in fact did?
According to court documents, Driscoll was an information technology employee and had full access to the police department as well as all city and law enforcement databases. Prosecutors want him held without bail. Court documents state there is a concern that Driscoll not only has the knowledge, but the means to shut down all city IT services.
If it is capable for one person, one single person in the system to shut everything down, that's really concerning to me.
My client, Patrick Driscoll, is being made a scapegoat.
Defense attorney Greg Fairbrush is representing Driscoll.
This case is Salt Lake City Police Department simply has no idea what the employees are accessing.
He says prosecutors have not produced any evidence to back up the charges.
My client is 50 years old. He has a high school education, received little to no training from Salt Lake City Police Department, and he has a traumatic brain injury that does limit his cognitive ability.
So are you saying that your client did not access anything that he was not given authorization to access?
My client did not exceed the authorization that he was granted by Salt Lake City Police Department in the city.
On Friday, KSL investigators sent dozens of questions to the city and the police department, hoping to find out whether citizens are impacted by the security breach and whether changes have been made to prevent further incidents. Most of these questions remain unanswered, but the city did release a statement saying in part, "We want the city's residents to know that additional measures are being taken to further assure the protection of any personal information that may exist in our systems."
The mayor's office and Salt Lake City Police Department have declined repeated requests to sit down with us for an interview. We have confirmed tonight that Driscoll has been fired and no longer has access to the city's IT systems. Mike?